Hello and welcome to my first video tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a landscape using the Displace Modifier and an additional secret later. Well, let's get started. First, add a plane and scale it up big. Go into edit mode and add a bunch of subdivisions. Okay, now we need to to UV unwrap it. Open an image. I'm going to post it in the description of the video, and UV unwrap it. Go to the top view and unwrap project from bounds, and now if you go into textured mode you can see it's there. So I'm going to now add a material to make it show up in the render. Set it to image, add the same image in an image texture. Now set the coordinates to UV and then choose UV text. Now it'll show up in the render. Now to make the landscape we need to add the same texture. Click the two to redo or make it into another one, or to unlink them and make it a separate texture. Now change it back to UV and UV text. Uncheck color and check RGB to intensity. This will make it converted to a black and white image, which can be used by the displacement modifier. Doesn't show up here, but it works. So now go here, add a displace modifier. Choose this texture, and as you see, it's done this. It's way too, this value, the strength is way too high. Turn that to 0.1. And you might want to change this to UV and choose your UV text. Next, you should smooth it and add a subsurf modifier. You could also increase the strength a little bit. And I'm going to turn this off so the screen capture program captures good quality. And now if you were to go into textured, you can see that you now have a landscape based on it. So I'll turn these two off and now I'll render it so you can see what it looks like. There's all these white spots here that are caused by the specularity that don't look good. So we need to turn the specularity down, and if we were to re-render it again, it's gone, because you should get rid of them, because in reality dirt does not shine. So now I'll show you another cool feature that you can use to adjust the height in different areas. Like, what if you want to have it be extra tall in the center and shorter around the edges? So I'll show you how to do that. First, we need to create a vertex group. I'm going to call it height, and we need to go into edit mode, select all vertices and click assign. Now we go into weight. Now I'm going to turn these on just so you can see what it looks like, and I'll turn the strength up so you can see better. Now if we were to go into weight paint mode, you would see that everything is red. That means it has a weight of 1, and if we were to lower the weight like to 0, you would see that it doesn't get affected as much. I'm going to turn the strength up so we can see. Oh, it doesn't get affected yet. I have to select the vertex group to height. Now you can see as I reduce the weight, it gets smoother. And to get into there again, you go to here, weight paint. And if you don't have a vertex group made, then it'll make one, but you should make one just so you can name it and for organization. And you set the weight here that you want it to be. And now if we were to go back out, if we were to go back into object mode, we turn this back down to 0.2, turn turn this back on, you can see that in the distance it's smoother than it is up here, and so yeah, that allows you to control these. So that's vertex groups and the displacement modifier. I'll post a link to the images in the description as well as the blend file. I hope you like this tutorial. Bye.